What's up guys, salabayan ng batayan nyo at syempre nagbabalik tayo para sa panibagong music video reaction at syempre no, kung bago ka dito, subscribe, follow the notification bell button para updated ka lagi sa araw-araw natin pag-upload at syempre follow nyo na rin ako sa Facebook page Albayanong Batayan nyo. At dahil nga maraming nagre-request nito sa comment section, bigyan ko ng video reaction ay ang kantang All By Myself with David Foster itself nung 2024. Alam naman natin at syempre alam ko naman na yung kanta nito, no? So naririnig ko naman to sa ibang mga singers natin. Alam ko yung kung gaano ito kataas, pero syempre tingnan natin yung performance ni Estelle, or tingnan natin, himayin natin kung sakali man kung paano ni Estelle nagawa or nakanta tong napaka high notes na kanta, no? So sa part na to talagang bibihira lang talaga nakakapag-pull off ng ganitong kanta, especially sa mga mainstream artist natin, no? So hindi lahat, hindi karamihan kayang i-pull off tong kanta. So let's see. First time kong mapakinggan to na si Estelle. Yung kanta alam ko na. Pero let's see kung paano ni Estelle na pull off tong All By Myself ni David Foster. Syempre, kung ayaw mo naman ng may commentary at maraming post dito sa aking video, ilalagay ko yung link ng original video sa baba. So let's go, tingnan natin to. At syempre, bilang Pilipino din, talagang nakaka-proud na makita ang mga kapwa nating Pilipino, kabayan nating mga artist sa mga ganitong international shows, di ba? So, bibihira lang din naman ang mabigyan ng ganitong pagkakataon. Di ba?
It's called the David Foster Show, okay? Not the Stell Show.
Imagine data, Estelle, tapos still the show. Estelle, still the show.
Happy to have you and help me out with this song today. But I wanted to show a little clip first, if you don't mind. Okay. So when I was making this song with Celine, she complained really a lot about this very high note.
Oh, really?
In the song, right? It's an impossible note to sing. And she hated me in the studio that day. If you ever read her book, page 37 and page 38, she devotes 2 pages to how much she hated me that day in the studio. But we got the job done. She hit the high note, and it took her a few tries. Tonight, my friend Estelle, you only get 1 try. But I'm sure you can do it. Can I...
Isipin mo, no, na yung recorded na si Celine Dion, ilang beses niya nagawa, na-rehearse bago niya na perfect yung gano'n. Ang magiging problema lang dito ni Estelle is may one time lang siya. May isang beses lang siyang subukan yung gano'n. So, alam mo yung pressure, kumbaga inunano siya ni David Foster na, Estelle, hindi ka pwede magkamali. Alam mo kung bakit, isang beses lang mangyayari to. One time run, tapos wala ka lang chance. Kasi hindi natin pwedeng i-replay yung ano na yon, yung key na yun. So, kailangan dire-diretso tayo. Man, matinding pressure na pala kay Estelle, di ba? Di ba? Kita mo si Estelle talaga pag sabi ni Sim, napasubo yan. Mayayari na rin, napasubo niya ako dito. Napakross-sign na siya, no?
I want to show everybody the clip.
Man, I love Estelle kasi yung boses niya, kung paano niya i-deliver yung mga kanta niya, tapos high notes pa, man, talagang doon ako bumipilip sa mga ganon. Especially lalaki to, no? Alam ko naman sila Marcelito, sila yung iba nating stars, talagang kaya din naman. Pero man, yung ganito na first time mo, tapos syempre pressure ka pa niyan kasi si David Foster nasa harapan mo, eh. Hindi ka pwede magkamali, eh.
Here's the clip of Celine talking about it. Here we go.
Man.
David Foster calls me, and I was in Montreal, he was in California, in Malibu.
Excited ako, promise. Na-excite ako para kay Estelle. Ewan ko, di ko alam.
So amazing, but he said I have a little surprise for you, and I'm like, oh, okay. And he plays me the track when I was young, and it starts, and it's so divine. It's so beautiful. And then he said, wait at the bridge. I did a little something, and then the key that we have agreed on, he changed it to a key and a half, for the modulation. All by myself anymore. And I was like, is that the final, the key that finishes is the key that we chose, right? No, it says it's a key and a half higher. But I said,
Dang.
David, how could you do that?
Right.
Sa
Well, he said,
mga
if you can't do it, there's other singers next. I was like, yeah.
mostly kasi yung kahit mga half key lang kasi sa mga hindi talaga singer, kumbaga mahirap yun. Ito nga si Celine Dion, talagang veteranang singer nito. Nagrereklamo pa sa half key na idinagdag pa ni no, na itinaas pa ng half key yung ano. So medyo mahirap ngayon sa mga
And
especially sa mga normal singers lang, mga common singers, pero ganito ang si Celine Dion.
that's all I needed to hit the note.
Oh, that's a true story. I actually said to her,
Damn.
hey, if you can't do it, there's singers next door that can do it. And actually Whitney Houston was in the other studio.
Oh
But
my
I didn't say her
God.
name. But anyway, it was all
Imaginein mo, Whitney Houston.
in fun. And Celine ended up hitting the note. And now we have you, Stell. You ready? Here we go.
Let's go! Let's go!
When I was young, I never needed anyone. And making love was just for fun.
Ang ano dito is talagang kaboses niya. Naririnig ko yung boses ni... May konting distinction na, may konting difference, pero halos naririnig ko yung boses ni Celine Dion.
When I was young,
Yeah. May naririnig ko.
never needed anyone.
Wow!
And making love was just for fun. Those days
Kinikilabutan na ako.
living alone.
Oh my God! God! Guys, kinikilabutan na ako. Kinikilig na agad ako. Yung buong katawan ko kinikilig na agad. Man. Yung mga ganong ran ng vibrato. Man! Pasensya na, inulit-ulit ko.
Love was just for fun. Those days are gone.
Come.
Living alone.
Ah!
I think of all the friends I've known. But when I dial the telephone, nobody's home.
Wait. Hihinga lang ako saglit, guys. Bago bumirit si Stel. Magre-ready na ako. Hinahanda ko lang yung sarili ko sa mangyari. sa mangyari. Konti. Pause. So, pasensya na. Ilalagay ko yung original kung ayaw yun ng maraming pause. Ang ganda ng pagkakaano niya ng chest voice niya. Mula talaga dito sa diaphragm niya yung I'm guessing na magbe-belting na dito si Estel. God! Kinikilabutan agad ako.
Hard to be sure. Sometimes I feel so insecure.
Guys, alam ko yung kanta, alam ko yun din yung ano yung structure ng kanta, kung saan may part ng matataas na part ng kanta, no? So, ang gusto ko lang pakinggan kung paano ni Estel nagawa yung mga part na yun.
Love so distant and obscure remains a cure.
Let's go!
Don't wanna
Guys, every time every time niya yung massive, kinikilabot. Kinikilabutan ako. Oh my God. Ang ganda ng pagka-control niya doon ng all by myself. Tapos bigla niyang ibababa, man. Ayan, mataas. Tapos biglang baba, men. Ang galing niyang i-modulate yung boses sa ganon, men. Ito yung gusto ko kay Stell na napaka-easy lang din sa kanya yung ganong boses. Abutin yung mga ganon. Yung control. Oh my God. Ito na yung may part na matas eh. Let's go. Ganda ang ano niya doon. Head voice. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, man. Oh my God, man. Let's go, Stan. Let's go. Let's go, man. Oh man. So satisfying part na yun. Yeah! Let's go! Guys, alam kong part na yung mataas, pero iba pa rin yung first time kumapakinggan si Stell, man. Ito yung gustong-gusto ko kay Stell, na napaka-versatile ng boss niya. Man. Let's go! Pinawisan ako, guys. May isa pa yan eh. Guys, tinan mo. God! Oh my God! Yes! Pare, Stell! Kaya magpapailabi ko na lang talaga, Stell. Pambira, sugatan pa yata ako. Oh my God! Kaya guys, so medyo kikilabutan pa rin ako. Pinawisan ako doon. Man. Oh. Man. Saan to ginanap? Parang dito lang yata sa Pilipinas eh.
Voice. And he's your very own.
Sa Pilipinas.
Well,
God damn it.
probably the only way that you can follow that voice is with
God.
another great voice, probably, I would say, my favorite.
Okay. Parang Stell, man. Isa na yan tayo sa pinaka-hype na nagawa kong reaction para kay Stell. Man, kinikilabutan pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. First time ko, alam ko yung kanta, pero yung kay Stell talagang goosebumps ako. Nagugustambumps ako kay Stell. Siguro dahil may bias ako kay Stell, pero man, kahit sino na hindi fans ni Stel, talagang mapapawaw talaga sa performance niya. So yeah, guys, napagod ako. Oh, bye-bye na. Bye-bye na.